4 degrees of float. Fits all SPD Shaman pedals except M858. Shimano reference number, SH-51. Color: black. Material: alloy steel. Brand: Shimano. Item weight: 0.11 pounds. Bike type: multi-use. Top reviews from the United States. I received genuine Shimano. Some other reviewers noted that they received what appeared to be counterfeit versions. I received genuine Shimano cleats, and they installed with no problems. I have another set with around 10,000 miles on them, and they are still fine. I just bought another set for a new pair of shoes. Also note that at least a couple of reviewers installed these in some multi-purpose mount-style shoes, apparently, and they installed the threaded plate outside the shoe. Then they left horrible reviews. The plate goes inside the shoe, whether you bought the cleat set with the plates or the plates came with the shoes, and ideally it is a shoe specifically intended for Shimano SPD style cleats for best results.